Hello guys, this is Mr. Hackett. I am going to make this clip so that way you guys can see exactly the process that I went through in order to make a geological timeline. So we're going to read through this at the beginning of class, and then I would like to go through the procedure because the procedure is sort of confusing, but I just want to kind of show you so that way you have a starting point. So we're going to work in groups of 4. We're going to lay the adding tape on the floor where it won't interfere with the other students. You guys can do this out in the hallway. You can do it on the desk. You're going to need about 4 meters and 6 feet. So based on that, you're going to need a lot of space. And then what we're going to do within the first 20 centimeters in the top left corner, we're going to write a full heading, and I'll show you what this is going to look like. We're going to put geological timeline, the name of the people that are in our group, the date, and then the period. Right below that, or off to the side, I chose to do it off to the side. We're going to put a scale, so that way people know how far apart certain things are, and they can use that scale to justify the age. So 1 meter would be 1 billion years, 1 centimeter is 10 million years, and 1 millimeter is 1 million years. We're going to measure from the left side, and we're going to measure 20 centimeters. And then starting on the left side of the paper, measure 20 centimeters to the right, and we're going to make a small vertical mark, and we're going to label this today. So eventually what your paper is going to look like is sort of like these little breakout points that you see along here. All right. On the back of this paper, there is a list of major events. And so you're going to use table 1 and write down these different major events on your geological time scale. There are a set of questions that are also on the back of this that you will also need to answer. Each person needs to answer them individually, but one group can turn in one geological time scale. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here you can see my geological time scale. So here's my title, Geological Timeline. My group members, Gordon Hackett, my wife Jackie. Oh, that's cute. Date, December 14th, and then period, home period, because I'm doing this at home. And then here's my scale, 1 meter, 1 billion years, 1 centimeter, 10 million years, 1 millimeter, 1 million years. And what I did was, you can see here on my meter stick, is that I measured from the left side all the way over to where you see 20, and then I drew a line up, and so this is where we see today. So today, or the present, is this line. And then in that YouTube video that we were talking about, we were seeing that Homo sapiens, which are humans, occurred roughly around 100,000 years ago. And according to our geological time scale, if I flip this paper back over, you'll see here, we have 100,000 years ago is at 0.1 millimeter. Not 1 millimeter, but 0.1, which is even less than a 1. So this is going to be a very, very tiny gap. In fact, it might even overlap for some of you, and that's okay if that happens. But today and Homo sapiens, the appearance of Homo sapiens should almost be touching. I put a little gap in there just just in case. And then what we do is we measure from the today point. I'm going to try and do this, move my meter stick around. So here we go. that was Jackie. She just turned on the music. Wow. Anyways, say hello, Jackie. Okay, so we're at 2.2. So here you can see that it says 22 million years ago. That's 2.2, and we have the appearance of grasses. So I'll show that again. So 22 million years ago, 2.2 centimeters, the appearance of grass. So if we look at this, we will see that if we measure from today, 2.2, that would be 22 million years ago, and we put in here the appearance of grass. And we're just gonna kind of keep working our way down this chart all the way down until we get to 4.6 billion years ago, or what that would look like is 4 meters and 60 centimeters, or 4.6 billion years ago. So like I said, you're gonna have to have enough paper that's covering that 4.6 meter slot, and I would just get 5 meters worth, and you can cut off the extra at the end. I do want to go over with you like what the difference is between a centimeter and a millimeter. We are not using inches. We are using the millimeter or centimeter side, which is known as metric. So here you have, for example, 0, and then the little tick marks are millimeters. And so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 millimeters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 centimeter. So there are 10 millimeters inside of 1 centimeter. And so on this ruler, we can count all the way up to 30. So that means there would be 300 millimeters or 300 little tick marks along this ruler. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later. Bye.